Ladies and gentlemen, I have finished the paint job. I'm about to peel off the tape and get the first look at the Red Guardian's signature colors. This is the Red Guardian build part 10. Almost complete. There we go. Let's see, it's been sitting here baking in the sun. I put some clear coat. It's got some hot rod red on here. Same Iron Man colors, just figured I'd keep it all in the same universe. Definitely has a really nice look. Hope you guys are following along, building your own shields. Excited to see what you guys can bring to the table. But this is what I got to bring to the table when it comes to trying to build things on a good budget and using your artistic skills, and then just, you know, make that up with your artistic skills, I should say, and you can produce a lot of really cool things. This shield, hopefully, we'll see a lot of action. Battle damage needs to happen naturally. And the coup de grace. There we go. We got to put the handles back on the back side, finish prettying that up, and my friends, all right. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember, if you're interested, you need to hit me up. Maybe we can work something out on getting a shield made at a good price. But right now, I still like what I'm doing. Like building them. Thank you very much. We'll see you again.